Hi all, welcome back in my Repair and Remake garage. I will show you today how you sew on a button with a sewing machine.
You need a button sewing on foot for your machine and a durable yarn. I choose Seracycle by Mettler, a fully recycled yarn made out of used beverage bottles on a recycled bobbin. With the button sewing on foot of Bernina, you can vary the height of the shank. To sew on the button you choose, if available, the button sewing on program. Adjust the needed shank height, side button and foot in the right place of the fabric and adjust the stitch width with the help of the hand wheel to ensure that the needle goes exactly into both buttonholes. The button sewing on program stops automatically and you can cut the threads. To fix a 4-hole button, repeat it for the other 2 holes. It is not a requirement to have a button sewing on program. You can also use the zigzag stitch. Place the needle in left position, choose the zigzag stitch, length and width 0. Fix the thread with some stitches, adjust the width and check it with the hand wheel to make sure that the needle will hit both buttonholes. Sew on the button and fix, width 0, the yarn with a few stitches. Cut the thread, done.